Having a big schema without documentation can make you a big problem later on. As you can see, here we have a schema that doesn't have documentation, or maybe a little. So let's add some documentation. The easiest way is just go here, city. So city where the lunches are delivered. As you can see, the string changed, but maybe we can add some sections. Okay, let me say I want to know like structure. So everything is scope to the city in this backend to get all slot to get all the cities. Please run. So I'm writing basically Markdown here, and you can do it inside the GraphQL editor. Public cities name. Okay, and as you can see, I have my syntax, coloring, structure, everything here. So let's add the field name of the city, date when it was added to a database. And what I did right now, I just documented schema. Of course, I can search, I can expand here, but that's pretty standard feature. I can navigate like this also. And I can see good. Right. And that's it about documentation. Thank you.